tablespoons of wheat flour, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 'We are going to roast this for 5 minutes. Add little milk. Mix well without lumps. Half liter of milk. Add this mixture. Next we are going to add cocoa powder. Add sugar as per your taste. Mix well. Add vanilla essence. Now we are going to switch on the flame. Mixture turn thick. Let it cool down completely.
It's completely cooled down.
Blend the mixture.
Pour the mixture into a tin. Keep it in the freezer for 5 hours.
After 5 hours, take it from the freezer. Now we are going to blend our ice cream. Blend it. Keep it in the freezer overnight.
Our chocolate ice cream is completely set now.